Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Are you eagerly anticipating the launch of the Vivo S18 series? If so, you'll be thrilled to learn that new images have leaked online ahead of the December 14th launch. These freshly leaked images show off the Vivo S18 series in striking new color options. The phones are presented in sleek black and gray hues, adorned with a flower-like pattern on the back panel. This subtle design element adds a touch of elegance to the overall aesthetic of the device. One of the standout features highlighted in these images is the Aura LED flash unit. Positioned just below the camera module, it's captured beautifully, all lit up and ready to enhance your photography experience. These leaked images provide a tantalizing glimpse into what we can expect from the upcoming Vivo S18 series. While the report did not specify the model, it is likely that these images feature the Vivo S18 Pro. Prior to these leaks, Vivo teased the design and color options of the upcoming handsets, revealing some key specifications about each model. As we gear up for the December 14th launch of the Vivo S18 series, let's recap the official information provided by Vivo about the eagerly anticipated lineup. The S18 series will consist of 3 models: the base Vivo S18, the Vivo S18 Pro, and the Vivo S18e. The base Vivo S18 will be available in a striking palette of black, green, and purple. The back panel of the green and purple options will showcase intricate flower-like patterns, adding a touch of unique elegance to the handset. The black variant, on the other hand, will don a solid shade, making a bold and classic statement. Under the hood, the base Vivo S18 is set to power up with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset and a durable 5000 mAh battery, promising a smooth performance and long-lasting battery life. The Vivo S18 Pro will also be available in green and purple color variants. As for the specifications, it will be powered by a high-performance MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus SoC, ensuring a seamless user experience. Let's not forget about the Vivo S18e, which will boast a 4800 mAh battery with an impressive 80W wired fast charging support. That's a lot of power on the go, ensuring your phone is always ready when you are. But it's not all just about power and performance. The S18 series is also set to impress with its display features. Each model will sport a curved OLED display with a refresh rate of up to 120. This means smoother scrolling, superior clarity, and an immersive visual experience like no other. In terms of design, the S18 series promises a blend of style and functionality. One standout feature is the Aura LED flash unit, placed below the camera module, which is seen to be lit up in the leaked images. Stay tuned for the Vivo S18 series launch for a first-hand look at these features. Vivo China President Jia Jingdong has confirmed some exciting camera specifications for the Vivo S18 Pro. Let's dive into the world of megapixels and sensors to see what this upcoming smartphone has to offer. The Vivo S18 Pro is set to come with a Sony 50 megapixel VCS Bionic IMX 920 primary sensor. Now, this isn't just any ordinary camera sensor. This is a bionic sensor, a marvel of modern technology designed to capture every tiny detail with perfect clarity. And to ensure that your photos are always sharp and stable, this sensor comes with optical image stabilization, or OIS support. This means that even if your hands shake a bit while taking a photo, the Vivo S18 Pro has got you covered. But that's not all. Alongside this primary sensor, the Vivo S18 Pro also packs a punch with another 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 sensor equipped with an ultra-wide lens. This means you can capture more of the world around you in a single frame, making it perfect for landscape photography or group photos. And for all the portrait lovers out there, the Vivo S18 Pro includes a 12 megapixel Sony IMX 663 portrait shooter. This camera is specifically designed to capture stunning portrait shots, making sure your subject always stands out against the background. But what about selfies, you ask? Well, Vivo has that covered too. The S18 Pro will include a 50 megapixel front camera sensor, so your selfies will be as detailed and clear as your rear camera photos. And to top it all off, this front camera comes with dual flash units, ensuring that your selfies are always perfectly lit, even in low light conditions. With such powerful camera features, the Vivo S18 Pro is set to be a game changer in the smartphone market. This powerhouse of a phone seems to be designed with one goal in mind: to make sure that every photo you take is a masterpiece. So whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves to capture the world around you, the Vivo S18 Pro is definitely a phone to watch out for. Having delved deep into the camera specifics of the Vivo S18 Pro, it's time to look at when and how you can get your hands on this photography powerhouse. While there has been no official statement from Vivo regarding the release date of the S18 Pro, rumors are swirling that we can expect the launch in the first quarter of 2023. As for the price, analysts predict that this high-end device could be priced competitively in the market, around $700 to $800 range, depending on the region and specific configurations. This price point is quite reasonable considering the top-notch camera technology and other features this phone promises to deliver. However, we suggest you stay tuned to Vivo's official channels for confirmed details. And remember, every penny spent on this device will be worth it for the exceptional photographic experiences it promises to offer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the Vivo S18 Pro and other exciting tech news. We'll keep you posted with the latest leaks, reveals, and expert analysis. So